What's going on, guys? Here's the Golden Cards Magic channel on YouTube, and this video I'm gonna be teaching you something like a self-working card trick. It is very good for beginners and for everyone. You can learn it very fast. I will first show you how it looks like, then we'll move on to the tutorial. So any card can freely selected, and for example we choose the 10 of clubs. I will put it around the center of the deck, and without shuffling the cards. In fact, right now I will make a shuffle. I will go to the over the hand shuffle, and I will do one last cut. Alright, and what I'm gonna be doing next is choose 5 cards from these 52 cards. Alright, so I'll spread the cards like this, and I will choose 5 cards. This one, two, the third card, the fourth card, and this is the fifth. Alright, so I will square everything up except this 5 cards, and I will show you right now the effect. If I push these 5 cards, I will get from the other side just 4 cards. Alright, I will show you one more time. I push the 4 cards, I will get 3 cards. Alright, I will show you one more time. We push these 3 cards, we get just 2 cards. And for the last time, if we push these 2 cards, we will get 1 card and 1 card only, and it happened to be the selection. So this is the card trick, and right now we can say let's move on to the tutorial. So before I start the explanation for this trick, I think I have to talk about it a little bit. In fact, it is very fun and easy, and you can add it to your collection. So what I'm gonna be doing is just choose a card that it is easy to remember. I'll use the Ace of Spades because it is very easy to remember. Alright, so I have the Ace of Spades on the top of the deck, and what we have to do, in fact there is a little setup. You have to control the selection fifth from the top. I will just teach you how to do it. The easiest way to do this is control the card to the top of the deck. Use any way you want. So I have the Ace of Spades on the top, then I will go to the over the hand shuffle. 1 card, 2 card, 3 cards, 4 cards. I run them above the selection. I will jog 1 card, then I complete the shuffle. I cut the cards to the top, so I have the selection for fifth from the top. Alright, I'll try to explain it one more time. You do over the hand shuffle, 4 cards, 4 cards above the selection. Alright, I'll jog 1 card, then you complete the shuffle, then you cut one last time, and right now I have the selection fifth from the top. If you don't like this method because there is the overhand shuffle, there's a lot of ways to control it from the top. You can spread the cards as you're talking to the spectator about the card trick, and you tell the spectator, I think your card it is one of these 52 cards, but I don't know where it is exactly. As you're talking to him, you prepare yourself to a pinky break, because you end up in this position. 4 cards with your left hand, you get a pinky break above 4 cards. Alright, 4 cards right here. And what I'm gonna be doing next is change the break to the thumb. I do a swing cut, I put the 4 cards above the selection, and I take the whole packet and put it under the second one, so I have the selection fifth from the top. Alright, so you choose one of these 2 methods, or you can use any method you want. Just control it fifth from the top. Alright, so you do a swing cut right now, and you get a pinky break, and you are going to tell the spectator that you are going to choose 5 cards from the deck. You spread the cards, and you really take 5 cards. So you keep spreading the cards until you finish these cards which they are above the pinky. You take the first card, you don't take the second one. You take the third one, you don't take the fourth one. You take the fifth one, and you keep doing this until you end up with 5 cards out jug like this. Alright, so right now I have 5 cards, and what I'm gonna be doing next is you can do this, or you can give the cards to the spectator. And because this right now the card, in fact it is a self-working right now, so you tell the spectator, I'll do something you can't believe. I will push these 5 cards, and look what will happen. 4 cards will appear from the opposite side. You do the same thing one more time. You push these 4 cards, 3 cards will appear. Alright, 3 cards will appear from the opposite side. You do the same thing. You keep doing this until you end up with just 1 card, and it always will be the selection. And yes, there is the ace of spades. Alright, so this is the card trick. Right now I'll try to explain it where the selection is fifth from the top, but it is face up. So you do the same thing, swing card, you spread the cards, you choose 5 cards as I said before. You take the first one, you don't take the second one. Alright, you take the third one, you don't take the fourth one, and you keep doing this. And if you do this, the selection will be in the middle between 2 cards from the top and 2 cards from underneath. Alright, so you push 5 cards, 4 cards will appear from the opposite side. You do the same thing one more time. You push 4 cards, 3 cards will appear, and the selection will be in this position. And you keep doing the same thing until you end up with just 1 card, and it will be the ace of spades or the selection. In fact, you don't have to understand this because I'm not understanding anything. So thank you a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for the channel, and I will try to bring you in the future a lot of videos. So yes, see you guys in the next video.